Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 18th day of February 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by many of the traders, including myself. Now, we look for our strong candle indicator, which are the little triangles in the direction they're pointing. And when you're going with the trend, this is a very strong indicator. So this particular candle I took out here because it closed an ABC pattern. Everything is looking especially nice about it. So we are going to use this one and we're going to go short. We could have taken any of these examples. We got this one here. Um, I don't think we got that one there, even though it paid because the stop was way up here. This one is a stunning candidate right there. So I look at my PVI and say I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 90 and 110 ticks in length. I'll pair that with my ATM. And for that type of market, we're going to go with our 20s, 50s, and 100s. We'll de-risk the trade after 20. Then we'll try and go for our runners of 50 and 100. So that's the setup. Here we go. We'll start off with a cover order. I'm going to use a market order because we're getting skipped on quite a few of these. And we can come up underneath the current candle. Now, if this goes further, we can move it a couple ticks up, but this is fine where it is. So as soon as this comes down and picks us up, we will put our stop. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs and then wait for our first target to get hit. Boom. So take our first, put our stop up here. Notice when the first target gets hit, oh, the first two got hit right away. Now, if this comes back and takes us out, it'll be a winning trade because we got 90 ticks in profit and we've got 18 ticks of loss. So no matter what happens here, we're going to have a nice profit. But that hit the 50 tick target relatively quickly. And now we just need to wait for our 100 tick target to be taken out. We'll go ahead and speed it up just a little. Don't really need to, I don't think. There we go. 4 times market. That was a beautiful retrace. Boom. That particular trade took a minute and a half to complete and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in 90 seconds, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. The only place you're going to find some unique indicators, including the strong candle indicator, which we use on a daily basis. So we'll look forward to seeing you all in the live trading room real soon. And God bless you, and we'll see you next time.